Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to this Monday morning, August 21st. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile for the ES and NQ. Hope everybody had a very nice weekend. So back at it today. 4 days in a row we've been one-time framing down. Bulls are attempting to put the daily back into balance. Our volume has increased all 4 days on the way down. The market is getting shorter and shorter right now. You have Jackson Hole on Thursday. You have NVIDIA Wednesday night for Thursday morning. So hopefully we will get some volatility as the week goes on. Can we be surprised we're trying to take out a previous day's high finally? Not really. Sellers have done a pretty good job, but again, you get bottom feeding, you get some short covering. Remember, there's a lot of shorts in the money from the past 4 days. So once you take out a daily high, you might get some more profit taken. I do not think our low of 43.50, which barely got into the rollover gap, will hold. So even though we're alleviating some short pressure starting today, I still think at some point we will go and make a lower low below 43.50. But we'll see how much they want to take back. Remember, Thursday was a triple distribution day. So right now, pre-market, we're above the lower distribution, inside the middle distribution. Okay, so we'll see how much of a leg up we get. We did have a price probe. We probed 5 days last week, 2 to the upside, 3 to the downside. Right now, the most positive response is to open either inside or above the price probe, which right now we're trying to do with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. So we'll see how that plays out. NQ is doing the same thing. Now NQ only had a double distribution day from Thursday. So right now they're trying to get into their upper distribution, and Righty also only had a double distribution day. So right now they're trying to get into their upper distribution. We'll see how that all plays out. Volume right now, pre-market, let's see how it is. 560,000, so nothing crazy. So game plan for today. Well, again, gaps have not held. They've only held 25% of the time this year, both upside and downside gaps. But if this gap is to fill, I still think I'd be looking for longs for a couple of reasons. You'd still be above the price probe, and you would have higher value. So I don't know if I would chase longs. I would like to see it come back and see if they do fill the gap. So that's I'd definitely be looking for longs though at the gap fill and or at the base of the price probe. Now, that's still 9 handles though down to here. Any acceptance back inside of Friday's range, that game is over, and you'll go trade at that point of control. So that's something the bulls want to avoid. As far as the bears would certainly like to hold at least the upper distribution, which gets started at around the 44.11 level. So we'll see if we get a real strong push-up early. I would definitely be looking for short somewhere around the afternoon rally high from that day. But again, we're still pretty far away from that. I think the big question is, will we play 4,400 for a while today? Thursday we blew through it to the downside. Friday we couldn't get up to it. So we'll see if 4,400 becomes a play early on. And then chart-wise, so here's the daily. Nothing changes to the daily does. Well, if we take out Friday's high, we're back into, at least initially, I would call it a 3-day balance. Thursday, Friday, and today. Again, the balance is being formed. If by some chance we really rallied hard and took out Thursday's high, then you would incorporate Wednesday into it. But at least to start, it would be a 3-day balance. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.